Let's see this question. This question is asked in GATE 2010 in the subject Signals and Systems. A continuous linear time invariant system is described by the differential equation d square y of t by dt square plus 4 dy by dt plus 3y of t equal to 2 dx dt plus 4x of t. Assuming zero initial conditions, the response y of t of the above system for the input x of t is e power minus 2t u of t given by. Okay, they are asking what is the response of the system y of t. They are given 4 options, out of which we need to find the correct answer. Now I will explain the procedure first, then I will go on solving the problem. First you have to take the input signal x of t and you have to convert that, you have to apply Laplace transform for this x of t, it will become x of s. So now you take the differential equation and you apply the same Laplace transform for x of s. Okay, so finally you will get an equation such that you can solve. Finally you can convert that into y of n, you will get the solution. Okay, now take the input x of t. X of t equal to e power minus 2t u of t. Okay, now apply Laplace transform for this. Apply Laplace transform. This will become x of s is equals to, for e power minus at u of t, it will be 1 by s plus a. Here s is 2, that will be s plus 2, a is 2. This is in the form of e power minus at u of t. If you apply Laplace transform for this, this will be equal to 1 by s plus a. Simply substitute a here. Okay, this is the formula which you need to remember. Okay, now take the differential equation d square y of t by dt square plus 4 dy of t by dt plus 3y of t is equals to 2 dx of t by dt plus 4x of t. Now you apply Laplace transform for this equation. You apply Laplace transform and the given initial conditions is equal to 0. Initial conditions is equals to 0. So directly apply Laplace transform. This will become s square into y of s plus this will be 4s into y of s plus 3 into y of s is equals to, this will be 2s into x of s, 2s into x of s plus 4 into x of s. Now this side you take y of s common. This will be equal to y of s into s square plus 4s plus 3. Similarly you take x of s common this side. X of s is equals to and 2s plus 4. Okay, now you take you substitute the value of this x of s. Let this be equation 1. In this equation 2, let this be equation 2. Substitute x of s value here. So I am writing here y of s is equals to, you send this to the other side, x of s is 1 by s plus 2. 1 by s plus 2 into 2s plus 4 by this term s square plus 4s plus 3. S square plus 4s plus 3. Okay, now if you take 2 common in the numerator, this will become 2 into s plus 2 by s plus 2 into s square plus 4s plus 3. Okay, s plus 2 become cancel. This will be equal to 2 by s square plus 4s plus 3. This you can write in terms of partial fractions. That is equals to a by s plus 1 plus b by s plus 3. In terms of partial fractions, if you solve this you will get in the form of this. Now for getting the value of a, you have to write, you just substitute in this term b term 1 by s plus 3, you have to substitute s equal to minus 1. In this way you can get a term. Okay, we have studied all partial fractions, right? So 1 by minus 1 plus 3 in the numerator 2 will be there. Okay, this will be 2 by 2, that will equal. Now for getting b value, substitute s equal to minus 3 in here. So a into 2 by s plus 1. You substitute s equal to minus 3. This will be equal to 2 by minus 3 plus 1. So minus 1. So a value we have got as 1, b value as minus 1. Substitute in this equation. Substitute a equal to 1, b equal to minus 1 here. You will get, I am writing here, y of s is equals to 1 by s plus 1 plus minus 1 by s plus 3. Now apply inverse Laplace transform. Inverse Laplace transform to get y of n. So y of n is equals to, so 1 by s plus a is a Laplace transform for this. If you apply inverse transform, it will be e power minus a u of t. This will be e power minus a is 1, e power minus t u of t minus e power minus 3t u of t. Okay, this will be the answer. So if you observe in the options, e power minus t u of t minus e power minus 3t u of t, option B is the correct answer. Anyway, here you have to take u of t to get exactly answer, but this is the answer. So how we have solved is, first we have taken the given signal input x of t as e power minus 2t u of t, apply Laplace transform to get x of s. So next taken the differential equation, as initial conditions 0, apply Laplace transform, we have got the equation. Finally y of s equal to 2s plus 4 by multiplying by s of s value, substituting here, we have got this equation. Finally a by s plus 1, b by s plus 3. Now by using partial fractions method, to get the value of a, you need to substitute here s equal to minus 1. So we have got a value as 1. For getting value of b, you need to substitute s equal to minus 3. So we have got the value minus 1. Finally substitute the values there, you got the equation. For getting y of n, you need to apply inverse Laplace transform, y of n equal to e power minus t u of t. So this is the formula for getting this, minus e power minus 3t u of t.